ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच श्रुतिविप्रतिपन्ना ते यदा स्थास्यति निश्चला समाधावचला बुद्धिः तथा योगमवाप्स्यसि। 53rd श्लोक। One who is without any doubt, with steady karma yoga mind, and who is not having any interest in karma palam, which teaches the karma kanda of Veda. With these two mindset of person, if he acts any karma, and one who focusing his mind only on oneness, that person will attain yoga, moksha, siddhi. That's what Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey in this particular sloka. Achala nischala, without any doubt, with strong in mind, steady in mind, means one who having karma yoga buddhi, he should not have any doubt on karma yoga buddhi, and also he should be very steady with karma yoga. His mind should not be wavering with respect to fruits of action or karma pala, where karma kandam of Veda, the Veda Purvam part teaches of karma and karma pala. Do this karma, you will get this karma pala. One who withdraws from that, the karma palam, one who withdraws from the karma palam of which the karma kandam teaches you or expresses you, and one who has and one who does the action without any doubt with steady mind in karma yoga buddhi, that particular person, one who focuses only on his inward growth and inward journey, one who have a strong tendency towards Atma, Atma Anatma Viveka hai, one who crosses Atma Anatma Viveka hai and firmly stick to Atma Viveka hai, that particular person, he will attain yoga hai, moksham. That's what Bhagavan Krishna tells this. Shruti vipradipanna. Karma kandam talks always about do this again. So this is the karma palam for this action. This is the karma palam for this action. This is the benefits for this action. Karma kandam and upasana kandam also. Do this for to get that. Do this to get that. That's the main content which is available in the karma kandam. That is necessary. The Bhagavan Krishna not denies that. That is necessary, but your mind should not be in that. Your mind should go one step level. Means you should be with the karma yoga buddhi. Karma yoga buddhi, what exactly? Two things. Chala, achala. With a steady mind, with a doubt-free mind. You should do any actions You should not be worried about the karma palam, or you should not be distracted by karma palam. With that steady and doubt-free mind, buddhi, achala, nischala, samadau, samadhi. Samadhi means here it is moksham. Tada yogam avapsyasi, then you will get moksham. That's what Bhagavan Krishna says. So tomorrow we shall see the next shloka, that is 54th shloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.